Let's see the different type of verb that we have here. See, we have all kind of verb here. So, for example, we have the verb that end with er. See, the verb end with the er, and so we have here, for example, here we have a verb jouer, meaning to play, travailler, to work, louer, to rent, envoyer, to send. Alright, and also we have the verb that end with the verb that end with the that end with the ir, those verbs. For example, here we have découvrir, to discover, souffrir, to suffer. Alright, here we have savoir, to know. We have here réduire, to reduce, conduire, no, this is construire, to construct, alright, produire, to produce. Alright, construct. Okay, here we have also verb that end with the er here. So just to give you a few examples here, we have joindre, to join, résoudre, to solve. Alright, so let's see how those verbs we're going to put in a sentence, how it's going to be like, you know. So let's for example here, jouer, we take just one, jouer, to play. Let's all read together, we see how it's going to go. Je ne joue plus, I don't play anymore. Je ne joue jamais, I never play. Tu ne joues plus, you don't play anymore. Tu ne joues jamais, you never play. Il ne joue plus, elle ne joue plus, he doesn't play anymore. She doesn't play anymore. Il ne joue jamais, elle ne joue jamais, he never plays. She never plays. Nous ne jouons plus, we don't play anymore. Nous ne jouons jamais, we never play. Vous ne jouez plus, you don't play anymore. Vous ne jouez jamais, you never play. Il ne joue plus, elle ne joue plus, they don't play anymore. Il ne joue jamais, elle ne joue jamais, they never play. Alright, so now we have that, play, and the verb that ends with er, and now we have the verb that ends with ir. So let's just get one of the verb. Here we have découvrir, to to discover. Right? Je ne découvre plus. I no longer discover. Je ne découvre jamais. I never discover. Tu ne découvres plus. You no longer discover. Tu ne découvres jamais. You never discover. Il ne découvre plus. Elle ne découvre plus. He no longer discovers. Elle no longer discovers. Il ne découvre jamais. Elle ne découvre jamais. He never discovers. She never discovered. Nous ne découvrons plus. We no longer discover. Nous ne découvrons jamais. We never discover. Vous ne découvrez plus. You no longer discover. Vous ne découvrez jamais. You never discover. Il ne découvre plus. They no longer discover. Elle ne découvrait plus. They are no longer discovered. Il ne découvrait jamais. Elle ne découvrait jamais. They never discover. Alright? Now we have verb savoir. To know. Alright? The knowledge. So let's see here. Let's all read together as we go here. Je ne sais plus. I don't know anymore. Alright? Je ne sais plus. I don't know anymore. Je ne sais jamais. I never know. Je ne sais jamais. I never know. Alright? Tu ne sais plus. You don't know anymore. Tu ne sais plus. You don't know anymore. Tu ne sais jamais. You never know. Tu ne sais jamais. You never know. Alright? Yes. Here we have also il ne sait plus. Elle ne sait plus. He doesn't know anymore. She doesn't know anymore. Alright? Il ne sait jamais. Elle ne sait jamais. He never knows. She never knows. Nous ne savons plus. You don't know anymore. Nous ne savons jamais. We never know. Vous ne savez plus. You don't know anymore. Vous ne savez jamais. You never know. Ils ne savent plus. Elles ne savent plus. They don't know anymore. Ils ne savent jamais. Elles ne savent jamais. They never know. They never know. All right. So let's keep going with the verb that now we have the verb that end with U-I-R-E. So construire, to build. To build. Okay, let's read together again. Je ne construis plus. I don't build anymore. Je ne construis jamais. I never built. All right. Tu ne construis plus. You don't build anymore. Tu ne construis jamais. You never built. Il ne construit plus. Il ne construit plus. He doesn't build anymore. She doesn't build anymore. Let's go. Il ne construit plus. Elle ne construit plus. He doesn't build anymore. She doesn't build anymore. Il ne construit jamais. Elle ne construit jamais. He never built. She never built. All right. Nous ne construisons plus. We don't build anymore. Nous ne construisons jamais. We never built. All right. Vous ne construisez plus. You don't build anymore. Vous ne construisez jamais. You never built. All right. Ils ne construisent plus. Elles ne construisent plus. They don't build anymore. Alright? Ils ne construisent jamais. Elles ne construisent jamais. They never built. Alright? They never built. Alright. So let's go to the verb that end with RE. Alright? Verb joindre. To join. Alright. Je ne joins plus. I don't join anymore. Je ne joins jamais. I never join. Alright. Tu ne joins plus. You don't join anymore. Tu ne joins jamais. You never join. Il ne joint plus. Elle ne joint plus. He doesn't join anymore. She doesn't join anymore. Il ne joint jamais. Elle ne joint jamais. He never joined. She never joined. Nous ne joignons plus. We don't join anymore. Nous ne joignons jamais. We never join. Vous ne joignez plus. You don't join anymore. Vous ne joignez jamais. You never joined. Ils ne joignent plus. Elles ne joignent plus. They don't join anymore. Ils ne joignent jamais. Elles ne joignent jamais. They never joined. Alright? So now we have our type of verb, and now we can put in a sentence. Alright, let's see how we put in a sentence. We're gonna play, let's put in a sentence, few sentences in each verb, and that's so we can see how we put those negative in the sentence. Alright, so for example, here we have a jouer, to play. Alright, let's put in a sentence here. Je ne joue plus parce que j'ai été blessé. Alright? Je ne joue plus parce que j'ai été blessé. I don't play anymore because I was injured. Alright? I don't play anymore because I was injured. Je ne joue plus parce que j'ai été blessé. I don't play anymore because I was injured. Alright? Here. Vous ne jouez jamais depuis son arrivée de Los Angeles. Alright? This is say differently. Vous ne jouez jamais depuis son arrivée de Los Angeles. You never play since he arrived in Los Angeles. Alright? You never play since his arrival in Los Angeles. Okay, let's go one more time. Vous ne jouez jamais depuis son arrivée de Los Angeles. You never play since his arrival in Los Angeles. Let's make some sentence on this verb we just played, so that make more sense when we make a verb with the sentence. All right, jouer meaning to play. Okay, all right, let's put a sentence together here. Here, je ne joue plus parce que j'ai été blessé. All right. Je ne joue plus parce que j'ai été blessé. I don't play anymore because I was injured. Alright? I don't play anymore because I was injured. Je ne joue plus parce que j'ai été blessé. I don't play anymore because I was injured. All right, let's get here. Vous ne jouez jamais depuis son arrivée de Los Angeles. All right? Vous ne jouez jamais depuis son arrivée de Los Angeles. You never play since his arrival in Los Angeles. Alright? You never play since his arrival in Los Angeles. Vous ne jouez jamais depuis son arrivée de Los Angeles. You never play since his arrival in Los Angeles. Alright. To discover. Découvrir. Découvrir. To discover. All right? Nous ne découvrons plus depuis au moins 5 ans. Nous ne découvrons plus depuis au moins 5 ans. We don't discover anymore for at least 5 years. All right? We don't discover anymore for at least 5 years. Nous ne découvrons plus depuis au moins 5 ans. We don't discover anymore for at least 5 years. All right? Il ne découvre jamais à cause du changement du temps. All right? Elle ne découvre jamais à cause du changement du temps. They never discover because of change of time. All right? They never discover because of change of time. All right, let's go here. Verb savoir, to know. All right? What we got here? We have here. Il ne sait plus comment retrouver l'autoroute. All right? Elle ne sait plus comment retrouver l'autoroute. He doesn't know anymore how to find the highway. All right? She doesn't know anymore how to find the highway. Je ne sais jamais de quoi vous parlez. Alright? Je ne sais jamais de quoi vous parlez. I never know what to talk about. I never know what to talk about. Je ne sais jamais de quoi parler. Je ne sais jamais de quoi parler. I never know what to talk about. All right. We have here construire, to build. Je ne construis plus à cause de la pluie. Je ne construis plus à cause de la pluie. I don't know to build anymore because of rain. I don't know. I do not build anymore because of rain. Je ne construis plus à cause de la pluie. I do not build anymore because of rain. I don't build anymore because of rain. All right? Je ne construis plus à cause de la pluie. I don't build anymore because of rain. Nous ne construisons jamais pendant la période d'hiver. Nous ne construisons jamais pendant la période d'hiver. We never build during the winter period. We never build during the winter period. All right? Verbe joindre, to join. All right, to join here. Vous ne joignez plus vos amis au restaurant. Vous ne joignez plus vos amis au restaurant. You no longer join your friend at the restaurant. You no longer join your friend at the restaurant. Vous ne joignez plus vos amis au restaurant. You no longer join your friend at the restaurant. Ils ne joignent jamais quand il fait tard. Elles ne joignent jamais quand il fait tard. He never joined when he's late. She never joined when he's late. Il ne joint jamais quand il fait tard. Elles ne joignent jamais quand il fait tard. He never joined when he's late. She never joined when he's late. We're done for these classes. Next classes.
Subscribe on Learning Academy Center.